Hey, beautiful soul. I'm Maria, and this is her Inner Strength Studio. Today, let's talk about rebuilding your confidence by choosing the life you'd love to create. If you've been feeling stuck, disconnected, or unsure of yourself, it might not be that you've lost your confidence. You may have just stopped choosing what you truly want. So many build their lives around comfort, around what feels familiar, what's safe or expected. That's right. But confidence doesn't come from comfort. It comes from alignment. And one of those most powerful questions that you can ask yourself is this: what would I love to create? Not what's realistic, not what's convenient, but what actually lights you up. That's right. When you start choosing from that place, something shifts. You begin to notice the difference between what you want because it's comfortable versus what you want because it's aligned with who you really are. Comfort will keep you safe, but alignment will grow you. And rebuilding your confidence requires growth. Yes, let me repeat that. Rebuilding your confidence requires growth. It requires choosing things that stretch you, that call you higher, that reflect the person who you're becoming, not the one you've been or outgrown. And this is where I love something called the dream test. To check if what you're choosing is truly aligned. 1, does it give you life? When you imagine it, do you feel more alive or more drained? 2, does it align with your core values? You should never have to shrink or silence yourself to compromise who you are. 3, will it require you to grow? If it doesn't stretch you, it won't transform you. 4, do you need support or something greater than you? If you already know every step, it's not a dream, it's just a task. Real dreams require faith. 5, does it create good for others, not just yourself? Your dream won't just elevate you, it will impact others as well. In closing, so if you're rebuilding your confidence right now, start here. Ask yourself, what would I love to create? And then have the courage to choose it. That's right. Because confidence isn't about something you find, it's something you build every time you choose alignment over comfort. This is a motivational wellness channel designed to help you reconnect with your inner power. Through mindset coaching, encouragement, and self-reflection, you can learn to thrive emotionally and mentally for daily motivational nervous system healing and inner alignment. Stay rooted in your truth, ready for what's next, and radiant in who you are becoming. Until next time, bye for now.